China has put on one of the biggest displays of growth in consumerism recently. With higher disposable incomes, Chinese have shown they're willing to spend on everything from Apple's latest iPhone to luxury handbags. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, retail sales jumped 17.1% last year compared to 2010, reaching more than 2.9 trillion US dollars. And the boost in spending has caught the eye of investors and property developers, resulting in a boom in the number of shopping malls. Citing the president of the Mall China Information Center, the Financial Times reports that the number of shopping centers is expected to jump by 893% between 2001 and 2015 to an estimated 1,300. If that happens, China will be the fourth largest market for malls in the world. And let's take a look at what's been happening in some major urban hubs, starting with Beijing. According to people.com.cn, consumers here in the capital city have been flexing their purchasing power now more than ever before, with demand soaring for luxury goods in particular. And rising demand hasn't gone unnoticed by merchants. Last year, more than 40 luxury jewelry, clothes, and watch retailers set up shop in the World Trade Center, located in Beijing's central business district. Rental space in neighboring shopping mall Shinkong Place was also quickly snatched up, with more than 90 international brands opening stores. The influx of foreign and high-end brands and the completion of 3 new shopping malls in Beijing boosted the total area of new commercial property to 3.36 million square feet. But despite the increase in space, the vacancy rate actually dropped by 3.9% year-on-year to 10%, while the average rent per square foot climbed to just over $10 a month, marking an increase of more than 12% year-on-year. Moving on now to the southern city of Guangzhou, the provincial capital of Guangdong province. Citing data from Guangzhou's Statistics Bureau, SoFun.com reports that retail sales in the city were booming last year, hitting 82.7 billion US dollars. That, of course, made the city a top choice for property investors. Last year, the area of new shopping malls reached 4.2 million square feet. But like here in Beijing, that didn't make it easier for retailers, with the vacancy rate falling by 0.5% year-on-year and monthly rent increasing by 10% to 11 US dollars per square foot. And don't go anywhere, because when we come back, we're looking at commercial property in Shanghai and talking about the discord between consumption and investment here. That's up next.